In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Wise account to efficiently access your Wisetag and related features. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Wise and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all your transactions and settings easily. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Payments. It's typically located in a visible area, and clicking here will lead you to a more detailed view of your payment options and history. Navigating through this part of the platform gives you a better understanding of all available features related to your transactions. Now, with the Payments section open, scroll down just a bit. As you do, you'll come across an area specifically dedicated to your Wisetag. This is a key feature that provides an easy way to manage your personal payment links and QR codes. It acts as your personal identifier within the Wise network, making it simple for others to send money your way. Go ahead and click on your Wisetag. This will open up a new window or section where additional functionalities are readily available. Here, you'll find your QR code prominently displayed. This QR code is incredibly useful if you prefer receiving payments through a quick scan method, ideal for both personal and business use. Besides the QR code, there's also a link associated with your Wisetag. This link can be effortlessly copied, allowing you to send it to anyone who needs to transfer money to you. It's designed for seamless sharing, whether you wish to send it via email, message, or even embed it on a website for convenience. Furthermore, Wise offers a convenient option to download these details, which can be particularly helpful if you require offline access or simply want to keep a digital backup. Downloading your code or link ensures that you always have it on hand when you need to share it quickly with someone. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated your Wise account to locate and utilize your Wisetag, QR code, and personal payment link. Whether you're managing your finances personally or professionally, these features are designed to streamline the process and enhance your experience. Remember, making the most of your Wise account can significantly ease your financial transactions, positioning you a step ahead in today's fast-paced world. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful guides just like this one.